So mecheki bado tumeambia Ruby hakuna kuishia place anaenda lazima tumuulize juu ya mtu mmoja Simba aka Diamond Platnumz. What are your views on him? Is he talented? Is he overrated? Is he?
I think he's talented.
Yeah.
But I think sometimes like sauce inatokea to same flavor.
Yeah.
On or maybe like he tries to imitate a little too much, but I definitely think he's talented, and I definitely think he's a business person. The fact that say like when you listen to his come up stories at alikuwa naimba sijui binti kiziwi, and now he's the one who's ruling bongo now say wa binti kiziwi, like we have no clue. Nah, there's definitely he has a spark akona kakiru.
Kuna ile nini so cause mimi nishangalio jani yake from Bagala to right now, and I'm really like uko what this actually happens. Imagine. So he come to you alafu to me some of the songs is done from nasema nawe niko naipenda juu the girls shake their asses a lot, but like mtasubiri na Zuchu, to me that's a beautiful zinitangwa ballad. Yes, that's a beautiful
he's
one.
A good writer by the way. He can write very beautiful music. Even when he's talking about sex and stuff, like in a sounding too fitty, but like when you listen to the filth in the melody ndoko like kai this man is saying like in the fact that he can mask it and sell it to you. No feel nikani ngoma unaweza cheza kwa wedding na wazae wako and stuff.
It's crazy.
It's crazy.
So lazima pia tukuulize hii story tulidiscuss na Ian. We were debating about this hat situation. You saw what happened to his hat, his green Boston Celtics hat.
Yes, the green hat. Niliona kulikuwa na a little bit of a commotion with the fans and everything. And then the security had to like kumpeleka kwa, was it his tour bus or something? Haraka lafu hati kaachwa huko sijui wapi. Karibu Diamond mwenyewe arudi kwa commotion to go look for it. Damn, kwani that hat is the one with the special magic.
Kitu nakuuliza cause niliwatch msewa TZ cause tuliongea, we said this exact thing last week on Friday. So it was very interesting kuona a Tanzanian talking about it. Also so Tanzanian alikuwa ile si kofia ukiweka hapa vitu zinaanza kutetemeka.
Seriously, because
like, did that make sense to you? Like a dollar millionaire is so concerned about a $50 hat.
Exactly.
Paka like he's losing it. And therefore kasema he did that out of respect. He does not want people to take things from him. You'd rather ask and what did you feel that was about respect?
No, definitely not. Anataka kui make it a whole this is a boundary situation, don't take my shit. But like how many artists when you are mechukuliwa their shit and they're just like, oh my god, who stole nani anaitwa nani designer alikuja hapa akaibiwa viatu. Of course like when he was on stage he was like, who the fuck stole my shoes? But like I he didn't make it look like my whole world is now over because I don't have that pair of shoes. So definitely ilikuwa a little suspect hata kama ni be respectful of my property. That the reaction did not match what was lost. Ingekuwa your diamond chain unaona useme custom made street ilitoka hapi and it costs however many millions. That one you'll be like, okay fine, naelewa. But a hat literally I can't ambia driver drive to the next spot, let me get a like 10 hats.
10 of them.
Exactly.
Hata unaipatia jina poa kofia.
Exactly. Hata for useme it has unreleased music wataliki shit.
Kofia.
But kofia really.
Cause phone I'd understand him losing his shit. He can afford a million or whatever, like 100 other iPhones. But I'd understand because phone is kwa maybe kuna melodies zake, kuna lyrics,
even
kuna what.
Nani Bien didn't even rant as much vile alipoteza nini. Ile phone was it an Infinix one?
That had
stuff. Niko nasema hata ange release nini last year. Alusa where you topless.
Lakini simu ilipotea.
Na ku cause match whatever, it didn't even send out sijui kina nani. Hata kuna mwenye alimwambia wake up mpaka
you get my shit back. Nah.
You know.
Ile iko na mazinga umbo.
You see, what do they
It was
call
not
the
a
hat?
hat.
That's not a hat. There's something deeper that he doesn't want to tell us about. And then ukisikia all these rumors about for you to succeed in the music industry, entertainment industry, for you to get to a certain level, exactly. And you see the cult-like following that he has been able to amass in the period of time he's been active. Inakafani.
Ukipoteza aliambona kamchai fulani ukipoteza hiyo ni hivyo utakuwa unalia
wewe utaimba tena utajaribu kuimba hivi ushindwe
sauti itapotea kuzile ni alafu now it was interesting to see him like a day later akiwa sijuko ile na kwa Instagram yake akiingia kwa private jet alafu now the cushions the private jet wote imeandikwa Diamond and I'm like if I lost that hat I would not have lost any sleep. So I think niyo superstition ya TZ because of course at the end of the day with or without the hat Diamond and sure utai to watch but that hat means nothing.
Exactly.
There is now whatever you are still Diamond.
It doesn't take away or add on.
I'm sure that society is so superstitious that lazima akuwa medanganywa hii ukipoteza hii ukipoteza hii
that you're not going to be on the same level of success nini hapana
Never believe niyo superstition cause when he got it unajua
he got it
it's not even
the
happy
same day.
he got it
kwa alale alisema
like he got it alafu we mi mwenyewe if my heart goes out there ikirudi staiva immediately
exactly that's my point
yani chukua tu
alika wipe like ilikuwa imeanguka kwa floor niko like dude inaweza kuwa ilikuwa kwa rasa cho cause if kama umesanya kofia Diamond na unajua inatafutwa watu wana chimba dunia waipate iko unaiweka wapi ikata nikireceive nasema nimeipata nimefurahi kwa pale
ndani like take that shit to the dry cleaners
you guys was there like oh my god
afoka iva
nakakava
like
it's not even that
that's hella sus side dye bombastic side dye ingine crazy
lakini nene lazima tukuulize Diamond akiamua you're the next Tanasha unaweza kata
aiwezi buda mostly because of my values listen don't even be like that listen
wacha tusikie values
you know people keep asking me all the time like why you ain't got a kid in Nairobi umeponyokaje I come from a family unit so I would like a family unit I'm not into I just want to have a kid and the dad of the kid will still see them whenever they will see them if I'm gonna have a child with you best believe you're in both our lives akuna hiyo shit ya ati nusu ati we had a baby but it didn't work out by the time I'm having a baby with you I'm already 100% sure so story ati sijui Diamond pull up sijui nini I know it would give clout but it in the grand scheme of things of where Ruby is at the top of success it doesn't do anything for me
let's take your word for it
just take my word for it
alafu unajua inaweza kuwa ni shida Diamond ameenda kwa hawa matakofia haiko anakuja studio iko nini kofia langu liko cause mingi pata kofia ya Diamond na shoot nayo episode this is going viral this is
I can just even tease him just get a Boston Celtics hat
mwambia kujia
Diamond ile original
una shoot podcast alafu unaweka on social na location unamtag unamwambia come get your shit
by the time anakuja hizo ni views wasiwatiza dot hata comment
alafu na make sure camera in a roll from down akikama hapa hivi cameras roll kama ile time ya nani Birdman vile alienda Breakfast Club akisema put respect on my name you know the cameras were still rolling through akisema turn this shit off make sure the cameras in a roll kwanza hiyo pata anasema turn it off zimeni hiyo naomba tafadhali zimeni tafadhali hapo ndo mna zoom in even kuonyesha
ile hasira iko hapo na nikoshaanza tumata mama wa Dangote kila mtu
ama maybe because the hat or you know the rumor would be that the hat is superstitious like hapana hii ni kazi yangu peke yangu you know can't send anyone to go fetch my wealth and my future cha nifike hapo peke yangu manze.
Yeah, but TZ still remains a very interesting industry. It was just very interesting to see a dollar millionaire that angry about a hat. There are things I'd be angry about, like my phone. Don't touch my phone. Don't touch my specs because I won't be able to see. Check like but hat.
Phone,
chain, don't touch my
jewelry.
chain because chain is only expensive.
Nimeinvest,
But hat unafaa kuwa ready, unafaa kufika level hata
Jacket.
sia uimpa mpaka wanarushia watu vitu.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So that didn't make sense. Considering akina Cristiano, even Messi give out their jerseys and those jerseys are expensive. Ajua the minute Messi ameitoa hivi, if it's a memorable match, yo shati it stops from being sijui 50-pound jersey to becoming something worth even 100,000 pounds. But hat ya Diamond is still not that expensive.
Ujafika hapo nata ikukua kwa ati show ati someone will be like, oh my god, life changing shit, I have diamonds whatever from this legendary event. Calm down.
Plus pia nili respect pia TZ because kama ni Kenya tuseme if Diamond was Kenyan na him being as big as he is na who's next na unakuanga na rival na nani?
Alikiba.
Hata niliwa respect. Unajua saa kampi Alikiba kila mtu angebuy tu your Celtic hat fuck with him. Mpaka akirudishiwa kwa like is this mine?
Alafu mpatiane for free. Kama ni Alikiba na mpatiana tu ma Boston.
Exactly.
Hii haina mazinga ombo.
Juu kama ni Kenya wange take it far you guys.
Seriously.
But ni shout out to TZ.
Shout out to them.
Ni watu gani wa TZ wamekuwa nominated for
Fresh Like Fid Q, Rosary, Young Lunya. Our best East African artist. Fresh Like ako kwa lyricist of the year. Ringle Beats producer of the year and a producer Jama Flani anaitwa Max Cortez. Max ni mdope. So his producer has been nominated for producer of the year. Mabantu has been nominated for group of the year.
So vile tumesema link ya best alternative media ikonini kwa hapa. Enda ukisha vote ikonini, vote kila mtu mwingine, si ndio?
Our heart goes out to them.
Ikonini wamesema hii na we unajua watasema Ruby alienda Ikonini sasa ndo maana Ikonini waliwin. Kila mtu a campaign please. I have nothing to do with the winners. Wase waingia hapo wajitume.
Ikonini.